Welcome to the Tactive Tender Management module, your ultimate tool for managing tenders with precision, speed, and clarity, all from a single platform. From handling inquiries, site investigation, BOQ import and cost estimation, and lost bid analysis to ensuring seamless submissions. Let's walk through the process step by step. It all starts with the Tender Management Work List, where region and project-wise inquiry status can be viewed. Also, the inquiry can be recorded from various sources. Simply select an inquiry to view its details. Here you'll find two key sections. Common information lists all essential inquiry details. Next, history tracks every step from inquiry receipt to payment dates, BOQ creation, estimation milestones, and submission dates. This provides a clear timeline at a glance. Ready to begin? Now let's move one by one into each action point in preparing the tender. First comes the tender document purchase process, which is done by submitting a payment request, recording the receipt, and entering purchase details, including date, payment mode, and any remarks. Next, head to the Tender Scope Review section to securely capture all tender-related documents. Drawings, BOQs, specifications, and scope can be reviewed at any time, either overall or by package, such as plumbing, mechanical, civil, or electrical. Use the Tender Observations feature to document crucial terms and conditions, and any page-wise observations, client recommendation, and supplies for future reference. Here's where things get interesting: the Site Investigation feature. This gives you more insight into the site's preparedness for the tender preparation process by enabling you to document project site details across a variety of parameters, such as soil conditions, the availability of resources close to the site, and more. After gathering site details, the process moves to BOQ definition. Here you can handle BOQs seamlessly. Import BOQs directly from Excel files. Reuse BOQs from previous tenders through template features. Export them to Excel for added flexibility. For similar works, group BOQ items under the same heading and drill down into the last level details. And these information can be seen in grid view, which gives us further details, including UOM, quantities, rate-only items, BOQ descriptions, and unquoted items. Next is the default proposal screen, where you can navigate to the activity view. Then clicking on the plus symbol will lead us to the detailed estimation against the BOQs. Uploaded BOQs appear on the left. Select anyone like PCC 1:4:8. Estimation can be done for multiple resources, say material, machinery, labor, and subcontractors. For instance, let's consider one resource. Take the case of cement bags, and you get the overview of corresponding values such as UOM, coefficient, net quantity, rates, and wastage. The system also has provision to include additional rates, choose currency, and set units of measure based on location. Thus, we arrive at the estimation rate. In the BOQ view, you can apply profit percentage at group level, last level, and overall against the BOQ. In the abstract view, see income after applying the profit percentage, along with direct and indirect expenses displayed by the Tactive system. Once estimation is complete, review project costs and profits. See income after applying profit percentage. Break down indirect costs and shared costs. Analyze direct costs for materials, machinery, subcontractors, and formwork. Additional cost, HO row overheads, contingency. This gives you a clear picture of your cost estimation. Next is the checklist, to review and validate tender documents, ensuring all requirements are met for a flawless submission. Once reviewed in line with the checklist, go ahead to submit your tender. What happens next? Based on the tender results received from the client, the system adapts the tender status. Awarded? The tender converts into a project. If called for negotiation, a new revision will be initiated, and this revision can be done a number of times based on the negotiation. In case of tender cancellation, the system records it for future reference. If the tender is not awarded, the lost bid analysis kicks in. The lost bid analysis feature helps refine your approach. The bid values of other competitors can be captured. Record item-wise quoted values for future reference. Gain insights to improve strategies and increase bid success. This data equips you to win more bids. And there you have it. The Tender Management module streamlines every step of your tendering process, from inquiries to submissions and even future improvements. Simplify, strategize, and succeed every time.